How to use Google Messages AI feature. So if you want to use the Google Messages AI feature, then the first thing you need to do is you just need to open up your Play Store and you need to search for Google Messages, because Google Messages AI feature is a new update. So if you have not updated your application, then you will not have the update. So simply go and search for updates, and if you have an update instead of this open button, then you can simply go for update and update your application. So let me tell you one thing, that if you don't have the option of AI, then that means it might not be available in your region, because for now it's only available in US countries or the mobile device in which you have the US SIM. So once you've updated, I'll just show you where you can find that option. So first open up your messages. Once you've opened, you can simply go with chat anyone, and then you need to simply tap on the text message option, and once you tap on it, here you will have an option of suggestions. So you can simply tap on the suggestions option, and then you will get a bunch of options, like bunch of suggestions. You can simply choose any suggestions that you're comfortable with, and then you can chat with the AI. So this option might not be available in your region, but if it is, you can use it and enjoy the AI feature. So that's how you can use the Google Messages AI feature. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.